Today we're searing some skirt steak on the Flaming Coals Parrilla Grill with some fresh Pico De Gallo. To begin our cook, we're going to grab our skirt steak and we're going to tenderize it using a Jaccard. Now you don't need to tenderize all steaks, but skirt steak is typically a little tougher. So by tenderizing it, it's going to make it a lot easier to cut and to eat. Next up, it's time for the seasoning. My favourite rub I like to use on beef is the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso, but you can also just use some salt and pepper. I just find it easier to use a rub straight out of the jar. Get some olive oil and rub it all over. This will help the rub stick nicely. Now the great thing about the Flaming Coals Bovine Espresso Rub is the bark you're going to get once it's nice and cooked. While our meat sits, we're going to start getting our Pico De Gallo ready. It's super simple to make and generally only has about 4 to 5 ingredients. Firstly, we're going to start chopping up our Roma tomatoes and white onion. Now a lot of recipes call for some coarsely chopped coriander, but we're going to give that a miss today because quite frankly, I'm not putting coriander anywhere near my mouth. Now to add some heat, we're going to chop up some jalapeños for that extra punch. If you like a little bit more heat, you can also add some pressure to it and roll it along the table. Our grill is now up to temperature, so it's time to pop our skirt steak on the grill. It's pretty thin, so it's only going to take a few minutes each side. We'll check the temperature and then take it off to rest for 10 minutes. Doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? Smells pretty good too. Let's dig in. That is really good. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try this at home, click on the link to the full recipe in the description below. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.